Welcome to the CustomGPT tutorial guide. Today, we'll walk you through the steps to set up single sign-on SSO, ensuring secure and streamlined access for all your team members. Sign in to your CustomGPT app. Click on your user icon at the top right corner and select My Profile. Navigate to the Single Sign-On tab. Here you'll manage your SO settings. Start by adding your domain. Follow the instructions to update your DNS records. Remember, domain verification can take up to 72 hours. Now choose your provider, Google Workspace, Okta, or Ping-On. During setup, you will need to provide your ACS URL and entity ID, which are accessible on the page. For SAML integration setup, you will need to provide the required details from your identity provider, either via URL, XML, or manually. Configure advanced settings. Choose how we should authorize company emails. Choose a role for new members. Enable or disable SCIM integration. Get started now and unlock powerful customer support today. Visit CustomGPT.ai.